Call him what you will, but Left Shark 3D prints really well. Yeah, so I found a model of the Left Shark, the infamous Super Bowl halftime character from Katy Perry's 2015 Super Bowl halftime show. And there's been plenty of controversy behind him and memes and stuff like that. And I just saw a story this morning about a guy at Shapeways 3D printing models of Left Shark. And Katy Perry's lawyers just sent a cease and desist letter to him about selling them. So he put the model online, and I found it. This is actually set to 1/10 of the actual size. The actual size is gigantic. So this is a small scale. It's only about 3 inches or high or so. It took an hour and 43 minutes with the settings I was using, which is kind of slow, but I wanted it to look good. So anyway, I printed various supports on it just to make sure that everything works. So I'm going to take all that off and show you it a little bit. So basically all the supports done in Cura just pop right off. There's a slight gap between the actual print and the support, and they just pop right off usually. Yeah. And then this little thing you can just rip right off. Yeah. Messy desk. And boom! Left Shark. For your meme pleasure. I'll put a link in the description to the Thingiverse page where I found it. You can also, if you have multiple extruders, you can print the different colors, or I just printed this in white so I can paint it later. I'm not going to sell this because I don't want to get a letter from the lawyers of Miss Katy Perry saying that she copyrighted sharks. So anyway, something little cool you might want to 3D print. Anyway, I'll see y'all later.